Well, folks, yes, all those images shocking coming out of Florida, and we're hoping that everyone that was riding out that storm certainly is okay, but the impact is far from over with Tropical Storm Ian. Again, this storm, we're keeping an eye on it now as its center, you can see right here is where that center of rotation still is. It's pulling back out over open water of the Atlantic. Now, it's not going to go all the way back out too far away from the coastline before it recurves back toward the Carolinas, but going out over open water, this thing could gain a little bit of strength back, and of course it still has plenty of heavy rain along its northern side, so the same threats apply. Even though this is now a tropical storm, it is still going to be a big-time rainmaker, and then also it could be a surge maker along the Carolinas. And actually here we are, the latest update from the National Hurricane Center. Yeah, they're expecting this to now become a Category 1 hurricane once again as it stays over the open water of the Atlantic. So we're going to see a second landfall likely as a Category 1 in Charleston, South Carolina, and then it's for the final time going to go back inland and weaken down to just remnants by the time it gets into southwestern Virginia. So that's the latest update there with the track from the National Hurricane Center. So now the question is, what are we going to see here in the DMV? Well, first and foremost, we already are seeing some breezy winds because Ian is off to our south. We have strong high pressure to our north, and we are going to have these breezy winds at about 10 to 15 miles an hour throughout the day. Nothing too drastic by any means, but we're already starting to feel the effect a little bit of Ian being off to our south. Cloud cover, it's still down across southern Virginia, but by tonight at the earliest, we're already going to see plenty of clouds streaming in across the area. We'll wake up to a cloudy sky tomorrow, and then we start to deal with the rainfall, which for the moment is not looking all that bad here still. We're talking about showers arriving late in the day on Friday, so the timeline again is pushed up with the arrival of that rainfall. It will turn steady as we go into the day on Saturday as the center of Ian pushes off over the Blue Ridge Mountains and we see those waves of rain come up from the south. And yes, it's going to be a wet weekend with rainfall continuing into Sunday and even some showers on Monday as well. But at this point, the flooding is still going to be a very low concern at this point. We're going to see 1 to 2 inches of rain over the course of 2 to 3 days, with only localized totals of 3 inches possible down to the south. And that, given the fact that we've had plenty of dry weather these last couple of weeks, we should be able to handle that with very little problem. So just gear up for a soggy weekend. That's about all we have to worry about here. Check it out. Futurecast, we're dry all the way through the rest of the day today. And then as we go into the overnight hours, that's when that cloud cover starts to creep up from the south here. We're talking about a very overcast Friday. And watch as those showers start to then push from the south into parts of southern Maryland, central Virginia, and then those showers will turn a bit more on the steady side there as we go throughout your Friday night into Saturday morning. But check out how we're going to have plenty of dry pockets mixed in with all of that on Saturday. So it's not going to rain the entire time. And that is the key point to drive home here with those breaks in the rainfall as we go over the next several days. Well, that will make it very manageable for us here as what's left of Ian moves into the area. Look at some of these totals, at least into Saturday afternoon. We're talking about just about 1/2 of an inch to an inch of rainfall. That is it. So overall, we should be able to handle this. And there's those showers lasting into early next week before we start to dry out into the middle of next week.